How to fix microphone not working on Windows 10. Let's get started. Check microphone privacy settings. For that, click the Start menu. Select the Settings gear icon to open the Settings panel. In the Settings, scroll down and click on Privacy and Security. Now scroll down and head over to the option Microphone. Make sure that Allow apps to access your microphone is turned on. Also scroll down and ensure the microphone is enabled for the specific app you are using. If it is off, you'll need to enable it. Next, set microphone as default. Search for control panel. Once it appears, launch it. Now navigate to the option Sound. In the recording tab, find your microphone. Look for the brand or name. Click it once to select it, then hit Select Default and press OK. Next, adjust microphone levels. Double-click on your selected microphone, go to the Levels tab. Make sure the microphone level is set to 100 maximum. Click Apply, then OK and close everything. And that's it. Your microphone should now be working perfectly on Windows 10. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.